At this juncture, it is my honor to introduce to you our Troop Information Education speaker for today's flag raising ceremony. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Criminology from Sandhurst University in 1991 and entered the Forest Service in 1996. With 30 years of dedicated service, he has been assigned to various units and has served as Municipal Fire Marshal of Lubot and Kunambugan Forest Stations and other several stations in Lanao. He has also attended various trainings to further enhance his capability and leadership in the field. A significant milestone in his career is his recent promotion to Fire Inspector last July 2025. Starting from the lowest rank and working his way up, his promotion reflects commitment, perseverance, and loyalty to the Bureau. Truly well deserved. He is currently the Municipal Fire Marshal of Maigo Forest Station, and outside of work, he is blessed with a loving wife and one daughter. Please join me in welcoming Fire Inspector Darwin Enel. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, ma'am. With my highest respect to our Regional Director of BPA Region 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Radio, sir, to our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan E. Cabot, sir, to our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Clifford Hill Salbanya, sir, the Regional Chief Directorial Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex E. Pablo, sir, to all commission officers, non-commission officers, non-uniform personnel, gentlemen and ladies of the Republic Service, good morning. Why failure is the key to success? Failure is often seen as something negative, sometimes to avoid at all costs. But in reality, failure is the one of the most powerful teachers we can have. Every time we fail, we learn valuable lessons about what doesn't work, and that knowledge brings us one step closer to success. Think of great inventors like Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before creating the light bulb. Each failure taught him something new. Failure also builds resilience and determination. It forces us to grow stronger, to think creatively, and to keep moving forward. Even when things get tough, success without failure rarely lasts, because true success comes from persistence, learning, and improvement. So instead of fearing failure, we should embrace it as a natural part of the journey. And remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It is the foundation upon which success is built. Matod pa na taliwala sa daghan nga kapilihan, doon na rin kadaugan. Para sa kuha, ang importante nga mulahutay o padayon kita sa atong journey o dini sa kalibutan. Padayon kita sa paglangoy sa dakong law sa kinabuhi. Daghang salamat o bulan adlaw na itong tanan.
Thank you very much, sir, for that inspiring message. At this point, may we call in our Regional Director for Chief Superintendent, Romel C. Tragiser, to give the certificate of appreciation to our speaker to be assisted by our Regional Director for Administration. Citation read, Medalya ng Kasanayan. Ang medalya ng papuri is hereby conferred to for Inspector Darwin C. Enerio, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal, Eagle Fire Station, Llano del Norte, BFP Unit, BFP Region 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a truth information education speaker during the traditional Malay flag racing ceremony held on November 10, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment to serve and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and elevation. Given the 10th day of November 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Renancy Cadro, for Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. Next, we will have our awarding ceremony.